because duplicate column. For these columns, I am going to give it as a different names only. Then the system it can able to understand. EMP underscore DEPT number. I want to give the alias names of for the actual column. Now here DEPT underscore DEPT number. DEPT underscore DEPT number or anything we need to give here. Alias names I have given it. So now what the system will understand for this employee underscore department number is it belongs to employee table. DEPT underscore department number belongs to department name. Then the system can understand the view is going to create. Just you can check it here. Now I'm going to create the view. Is it allowed or not? View is created or not? All of you clear for this? Now here select star from, just you can check it. What are the columns are present in that view? CV underscore view. Now here, what is this one? Alias names it can able to store into this view, not for actual column. Correct or not? Alias names are it can able to store. Why? Because you can give this alias names into this main columns only. While creation of view, this is the way we need to create as a complex view only in the real time. More than multiple tables, sometimes they have to take, if they are in the real time, they are able to create a view. Sometimes they are going to create 20 tables also, 10 tables also. That is possible in the real time. Currently, how many tables we are taken here? As of now, 2 tables only. In future, in the real time, how many tables they are going to create? 20 tables also it's possible, 10 tables also it's possible, 5 tables also it's possible, 2 tables also it's possible. That is the complex view only. Clear up to this, all of you? How we can create the complex views? Now, this is the complex view. This is the one scenario. Next, one more way I'm going to tell you. One more scenario it is there. Now here, I'm going to create the complex view. Now here, one more way what it is, complex view. Now if you're able to apply the group functions, if you're able to apply the group functions on view or distinct or subqueries, anything we need to write. If you're able to apply these functions on the view, that it is called as a complex view only. Now, if you're able to write the complex view in your system, not only for multiple tables. So in the view, these many functions are there, then we'll go for they're going to call it as a complex view only. How we can write it? Just I can write something only. First one I'm going to show it here. Select. Now, what it is my query? Department number. How we can able to write the department number wise salaries? I'm able to find out the department number wise salaries. How we can write the query normally? Select department number, comma, max of salary from EMP group by department number. Correct or not? I'm able to find out the department number wise total salaries. Now the query it can be displayed this output only. Now for the same query, I'm going to use it as a complex view. How we can write it in complex view? Create a replace view name. Same name I'm going to take it here. Here also. If you're able to give the different name, just you can give the different names only. As just take this query only. As just you can take this query. Now here, this is also called as, now is this query will work? Just you can see this, simply it can throw the error. Simply it can throw the error. Why it can throw the error? If you're able to write any group functions in our query, normal query can work. While creation of a complex view with having this group functions, it cannot be allowed. Why? Because whatever the functions, group functions you have given in that query, just you can give the alias names of that particular query only. Just what is this one? Max of salary. Just you can give it as alias names. And what the error message it can be displayed here? Must name this expression with a column alias only. This error message it can be displayed. Whatever the group function columns are there, just you need to give the alias names only. Without giving the alias name, the complex view it won't create. Just you can check it here. Just I can copy this. Now here I'm going to give in the previous this query it can throw there. Now I'm going to give it as alias name like this one, max of salary. What the alias name for this function I have given here? Max of salary. Now run the query, the view is going to create. Now the view is created or not? Clear up to this, all of you? This is also called as a complex view only. Now, one more point. Yesterday we have seen if I'm able to perform any DML operations on the view, the same operation, the same data, it can be reflected to the table or not? Correct or not? If you're able to perform any DML operations on the table, the same data it can be reflected to the view or not. Yesterday we have seen some examples. Now here, if you're able to perform any DML operations on the complex view, it won't allow. Simply it can throw the error by our system. Just you can check it here. Select star from, what is our view name? This one, complex view. Okay. Just I can write this. Now, this is the data it is there. Now I am going to perform the DML operation. First, I can insert the data like this. Insert into emp underscore cv underscore view values. Just what are the column names are there? Department number, I am going to give it as a 10 only. Salary, I am going to give it as a 4,000. Okay, now I am able to run this query. Is it allowed by our system? Now I am going, is the system will allowed here? Values, how many columns are there in this view as of now? 2 columns as per this view. Now, what are the column names? Department number and max salary. If I am able to insert this view, is it allowed by our system? For example, I am going to give it as a 40. What the error may say? Virtual column not allowed here. The DML operations, it won't perform here in the complex view. Just remember this point. DML operations, it won't perform for the complex view. Okay. If I am able to do it as an update also, just you can check this. Update CV underscore view set max sal equal to 20,000 where department number equal to 10. Work or not? Just we can check that. Is it allowed? Data manipulation operation not legal on this view. We cannot perform any DML operations for this. We cannot perform any DML operations on this. Clear up to this, all of you? This is the interview question also. Can we apply the DML operations on the complex view? Can we apply the DML operations on the complex view? If you're able to perform any DML operations on the complex view, system it won't allow. When it will be possible? In the PLSQL, one option it is there. Instead of triggers, that is possible. In the PLSQL, one option it is there. What is that? Instead of triggers, we are able to use